Why does Pune face floods and which are its flood prone areas? Pune administration continues to be alert as the many dams and rivers in the district makes it vulnerable to floods. As incessant rains has resulted in flooding in many parts of the Konkan and western Maharashtra regions of the state. Rainfall in the Pune district is also a cause for concern owing to rapidly rising levels of dam waters. Though the situation is well under control now, the administration continues to be alert as many dams and rivers in the districts makes it vulnerable to floods. How many rivers and dams are there in Pune? The district has a total of 19 rivers passing through its jurisdiction. The Bhima River is the longest with 300 km followed by the Nira River with 190 km and God River stretching up to 125 km. Only 6 of the 19 rivers have length less than 50 km before they actually merge into bigger rivers. Most of them emerge from Mulshi, Maval, Bhor, Vele and Purandar Tehsil of the district. They later pass through Haveli, Baramati, Indapur, Khed, Sirur, Junar, Ambegaon Tehsils and Pune city. There are a total of 24 dams of different sizes on various rivers in the district. The largest among them is the Ujjaini Dam having water storage capacity of 109.98 TMC followed by Bhatka Dam with 23.77 TMC capacity and Mulsi Dam with 18.47 TMC. The other 5 dams with a capacity of over 10 TMC are Dimbe, Varasgaon, Manikhod, Pavna and Panset. Which are its flood prone areas? There are 84 villages in Pune and Pimpri. Chinwad area which are flood prone, they are alongside 12 different rivers and downstream of 14 dams. The maximum number of villages that are flood prone is 17, including 16 in Daund Tehsil and 1 in Indapur Tehsil, alongside Bhimar river and downstream of Ujjaini Dam. Also, 16 more villages including 9 in Sirur Tehsil and 7 in Haveli Tehsil alongside Bhima river are flood prone. Thereafter, 10 villages along Indrani river which passes through Maval, Khed and Haveli Tehsil area are flood prone. There are 9 villages each alongside Mutha river and God river that are flood prone. The Mutha river on the downstream of 4 dams Panset, Varasgaon, Temgar and Kharaswala passes through Mulsi, Vele, Haveli Tehsil and Pune city, while the God river on the downstream of Dimbhe dam passes through Ambegaon and Sirur Tehsil. Which are the worst flood hit areas in Pune, Pimpri, Chintwad? The urban areas of the Pune district are the worst flood hit areas. The Pune city administration has to be on its toes during the monsoon as the water rushes into low-lying localities alongside the Mutha, Mula and Pavna rivers. The flooding of Mutha river affects Hengje Khurd, Mithalwadi, Pulchiwadi in Iranwadi, Patel Estate in Shivaji Nagar, Shanti Nagar and Indira Nagar slums in Yarwada and Sagamwadi in Pune city, while the Mula river flooding affects life in Anud, Daupadi, Sangvi, Baner, Hinagaon, Pimpri and Chinwad. The Pavna river passing through Pimpri Chinwad affects Kasarwadi, Pungewadi, Pimpli, Saudagar, Pimpli, Gaurav, Rahatani, Choswadi, Nirgudi and Sangvi. What is the impact of quantity-wise water discharge from Khadswala Dam? The Khadakswala Dam is the closest in Pune city. In fact, its wall is the new boundary of the Pune Municipal Corporation. The Khadakswala Dam receives water from Panset, Varasgaon and Temgar dams. The discharge of water from 3 TMC dam is started as soon as it fills to its capacity or there is release of water from dams upstream of Mutha river. It takes 3 hours for water to reach the Sangam bridge in the city after discharge of water from Khadaswala dam. The discharge of water from Kharaswala Dam on Thursday was maximum of 25,000 cusecs, but the alert is sounded when the discharge is 40,000 cusecs. The actual action of shifting residents of low-lying areas begins when the water discharge is 50,000 cusecs. The area that are first to be get affected is Kamnagar Putla slums in Shivaji Nagar after the release of 30,000 cusecs water, followed by Pulachi Wadi in Deccan due to release of 35,000 cusecs of water, while Khilarwasiti in Erandwade PMT terminus backside at Deccan and Tokhafana in Shivaji Nagar gets affected with 40,000 cusec discharge. When the discharge is up to 45,000 cusecs, the areas that are affected are behind Pune Hospital, Sitabau Colony in Narayanpet, Astagwa Mandir in Narayanpet area near Amrutsar Mandir in Saniwarpet, Denga Bridge in Kaswapet, PMC Colony in Kasbapet, Barne Road and Gadiwal locality in Mangalawarpet. The area alongside Shivani is affected as water discharge is increased to 50,000 cusecs. Other flood-prone areas in Pune. Areas getting affected due to flooding of Mula River are Shanti Nagar, Indira Nagar and Sadal Baba Durga area in Yerwada, Kalas, Aund, Bopodi, Sangamwadi, Mula Road slum, Patil Estate in Shivaji Nagar. There are 12 nalas in the city and the flooding of nalas take place if there is heavy rainfall in the city. It affects the localities and slums alongside the nalas. Flood-prone areas in Pimpri Chinchwad. The Pavna and Mulla River flooding affects the low-lying areas of Pimpri Chinchwad. The areas that get affected are Baudh Nagar, Bhat Nagar, Milind Nagar, Ambedkar Colony, Ramabai Nagar, Parabar Vasti, Gulab Nagar in Dopodi, Anand Ashram in Fujiwadi, Hirabail, Langri Slum, Kasarwadi, Sangvi, Mool Nagar, Sangam Nagar, Panchsil Nagar, Madhuban Society, Siksak Society, Pimpal Gaurav, Kaspati, Vasti and Sanjay Nagar, Gandhi. Thank you.